Okay, for this question, it's given that a truck of mass 2 into 10 raised power 4 kg is traveling at 0.5 meter per second. So let's M1 be the mass of the first truck, that is 2 into 10 raised power 4 kg, and its initial velocity be point U1, which is 0.5 meter per second. It collides with another truck of half of its mass. So the mass of the other truck is half of this, which will give us 10 raised power 4 kg, and it's traveling in opposite direction with a velocity of zero point 0.4 meter per second. Now both the trucks, they couple automatically on collision, that is after collision their combined mass should be 2 into 10 raised power 4 plus 10 raised power 4 kg, and we have to calculate the combined common velocity between them. So that's the common velocity BV. So here the initial momentum is, so we are going to use the law of conservation of momentum, and according to law of conservation of momentum, initial momentum, that is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m into v, where m is the combined mass of both the trucks. So let's put in the respective values. So m1 is 2 into 10 raised power 4, u1 is zero point 0.5 meter per second, so this is into zero point 0.5. m2 is 10 raised power 4 and u2 is negative zero point 0.4. Combined mass is 2 into 10 raised power 4 plus 10 raised power 4, and they are going with the common velocity. Okay, so 2 into zero point 0.5 is 1. So this is 1 into 10 raised power 4 plus 10 raised power 4 into zero point 0.4. And here we can take 10 raised power 4 common. So this is 2 plus 1 into V. And in this case, 10 raised power 4 is common in both these terms. So this is 1 minus zero point 0.4. This is 3 into 10 raised power 4 into common velocity V. So 10 raised power 4, 10 raised power 4 gets cancelled. 1 minus zero point 0.4 is zero point 0.6. This is 3 into V, and V is equal to 0.2 meter per second. So after the trucks couple, they will move the common velocity of 0.2 meter per second. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.